How to see your time spending on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see how much time you spend on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook app and now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and click on your time on Facebook. Now you have welcome. They're gonna send you a message, then you can just wait for a second and they're gonna show you see your time, manage your time, get more from your time, control your notifications and more option. All you need to do is click on see time and here you can see how much time you spend on Facebook per days. In the week, in the last week, for example, this is your time and this is your activity. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.